It's the sound every firearm fan knows by heart. The solid click of a cylinder locking in. The sharp report of a .357 Magnum cutting through the air. And that faint aroma of burnt powder wafting past your nose. 88 years since the .357 Magnum first rolled onto the scene, and here we are in 2025, where it still calls the shots like it owns the place. And truth be told, it kinda does. I've picked out models that have stood the test of time in 2025. Some are renowned classics with savvy, modern updates. Others are sturdy, no-frills workhorses that can handle Magnum loads all day long. 7 revolvers, 7 unique characters. Stick around, and we'll see which one's going to earn a spot in your safe or on your belt. The Ruger GP100 is often described by seasoned shooters as overbuilt, with the design living up to that reputation. This double-action revolver features a triple-locking cylinder system that secures the cylinder at the front, rear, and bottom. This setup enhances alignment and strength, giving the GP100 the ability to handle heavy .357 Magnum loads for years without loosening or losing timing. Constructed from stainless steel, the GP100 is available in multiple configurations, with the 4.2-inch model being a favorite for its balance of portability and control. The full underlug barrel adds forward weight, significantly reducing muzzle rise and keeping follow-up shots on target. Ruger equips the revolver with an adjustable rear sight and a replaceable front sight blade, allowing shooters to adapt the sight picture for different types of ammunition or lighting conditions. One of the GP100's practical advantages is its grip frame, designed to accept various aftermarket grips, making it easy to fit the revolver to your hand. The factory rubber grips with hardwood inserts are comfortable for most shooters and are effective at absorbing recoil, especially with hotter Magnum loads. When it comes to durability, the GP100 is renowned for being nearly indestructible. It will reliably fire a mix of a Special and Die .357 Magnum without any issues. Even after thousands of rounds, the lockup and accuracy remain consistent. Cleaning and upkeep are straightforward thanks to a design that allows ease of disassembly without special tools, which is a plus for frequent shooters. The added weight compared to some competitors may limit its appeal as a concealed carry option. But for range use, home defense, and field carry, where durability and control matter most, it's a top choice. In 2025, the GP100 is one of the most practical all-steel revolvers for those seeking something that will last a lifetime and still feel solid every time you close the cylinder. The Taurus 627 Tracker is a versatile and cost-effective choice within the .357 Magnum domain. It's crafted for those who want a capable revolver without breaking the bank, yet still demand solid performance. Built on a medium frame with stainless steel construction, the 627 offers durability for regular use at the range or in the field. One of its standout features is the 7-round cylinder, providing an extra load compared to traditional 6-shot revolvers. The 4-inch barrel version is the most common and comes ported from the factory. This porting helps redirect gases upwards to decrease muzzle rise, making recoil more manageable, especially valuable for new shooters or those firing full-power Magnums. The effect is noticeable when transitioning between targets or firing rapid sequences. The 627 Tracker features a comfortable rubber grip that absorbs recoil well and offers a secure hold in different weather conditions. The rear sight is adjustable, and the front sight uses a high-visibility insert for quick target acquisition. These practical elements make it a good fit for recreational shooting, home defense, or even field carry for small to medium game. While it doesn't possess the refined action or premium polish of higher-end revolvers, the 627 Tracker delivers dependable function and decent accuracy for its price. It's also more accessible and affordable compared to many of the more established names in the revolver market. In 2025, the Taurus 627 Tracker stands out as a wise choice for those stepping into the .357 Magnum world without overspending. With its combination of capacity, recoil control, and affordability, it remains a practical and enjoyable revolver for a wide range of shooting needs. The Kimber K6S and its lighter sibling, the K6XS, bring a modern touch to the snub-nosed .357 Magnum revolver. The original K6S gained notice for managing to fit 6 rounds into a compact frame while maintaining a profile slim enough for discreet carry. In 2025, the line remains notable for its combination of concealability and Magnum capability. Made from stainless steel, the K6S is offered in barrel lengths from 2 inches to 4 inches, with the shorter models designed for concealed carry. The K6XS variant reduces weight by using an aluminum frame, shedding about 2 ounces off the standard model without compromising strength for defensive use. Its cylinder is hexagonal in shape, reducing overall width and making the revolver more comfortable for inside-the-waistband carry. The trigger is one of the finest in its size category. Whether in double-action only or double-action or single-action setups, it provides a smooth pull and reliable break. This enhances accurate shooting in a small-frame Magnum revolver, a category where controllability often presents a challenge. Kimber offers rubber or wood grip options, with aftermarket support on the rise. The sights are dovetailed into the frame, allowing for replacement or upgrades, a rare feature in compact revolvers. Regarding recoil, full-power .357 loads are snappier in the short barrel, as expected, but the revolver's ergonomics help manage it. Many owners practice with .38 special to maintain proficiency without the added strain, saving Magnums for carry. The K6S series suits those seeking a revolver carrying like a modern compact, but still delivering 6 rounds of .357 Magnum performance. In 2025, it remains one of the most advanced small-frame revolvers available, bridging the gap between tradition and contemporary defensive design. The Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus is at the top as one of the most respected and frequently suggested .357 Magnum revolvers available today. Built on Smith & Wesson's rock-solid L-frame, it sits comfortably between the lighter K-frame and the hefty N-frame, offering shooters a revolver that's both robust and controllable. The L-frame's engineering lets it handle a steady diet of full-power .357 loads without developing the looseness or timing issues that can affect smaller frames over time. One of its most valued features is the 7-shot stainless steel cylinder, which delivers a welcome capacity boost compared to the traditional 6-shot design. The cylinder locks up firmly, and the revolver's action is finely fitted for reliable performance. In double action, the pull is smooth and predictable, while the single action break is sharp and precise. Barrel options range from a versatile 4-inch length for general use to a 6-inch version that offers a longer sight radius and softer perceived recoil. The sight system boasts an adjustable rear sight paired with a high-visibility red ramp front sight, enabling fast and accurate target acquisition under various lighting conditions. On the range, the revolver's weight distribution and grip choices help manage recoil and enhance control. Whether firing .38 special for practice or full-power Magnums for more serious work, the L-frame design addresses a known limitation of K-frame Magnums, which could experience accelerated wear from heavy use. That legacy contributes to the 686 Plus's reputation for durability and long-term accuracy. Combined with the wide selection of aftermarket grips and holsters available, it's a revolver that easily adapts to different roles. Durable, accurate, and carrying an extra round over most of its peers, the 686 Plus is as relevant for shooters in 2025 as it was the day it was introduced. The Colt Python has long been admired as one of the finest double-action .357 Magnum revolvers ever made, and its updated version keeps that reputation alive in 2025. First introduced in 1955, the Python quickly gained a reputation for stunning accuracy, smooth action, and a distinctive look. The current models maintain the vent rib barrel, full underlug, and target sights that made the original so recognizable, while incorporating subtle internal upgrades for improved longevity. Available in barrel lengths from 2.5 inches up to 8 inches, the Python offers options for varied needs. The 4.25-inch and 6-inch versions remain the most popular, with the longer barrel providing an extended sight radius and softer perceived recoil, while the shorter option offers easier handling in tighter spaces. The revolver's all-stainless steel construction gives it a solid feel, contributing to recoil control and steady follow-up shots. The double-action trigger is one of its hallmark features. Out of the box, it's smooth, consistent, and reliable. Single action mode breaks cleanly, making precision shooting at extended distances easier. With a tight cylinder lockup and a finely crafted barrel, the Python offers the accuracy that competitive shooters and enthusiasts expect. Colt's modern manufacturing methods ensure the Python is built to tighter tolerances than many mass-produced revolvers, maintaining accuracy over time. The revolver's fit and finish are also top-notch, with a level of polish that gives it a distinctive presence on the range. While its price point places it in the premium category, the Python offers both performance and a long-standing reputation that few revolvers can match. In 2025, it remains a top choice for those seeking a revolver blending precision and durability, with a strong connection to one of the most iconic names in American firearms. The Manurhin MR73 occupies a unique space in the .357 Magnum world. Built in France and still produced with a high degree of hand-fitting, it's recognized for exceptional precision and longevity. Originally developed for the French GIGN counterterrorism unit back in the 1970s, it was engineered to manage an unusually intense training schedule. Up to 150 rounds of .357 Magnum per officer per day. Its barrel is cold hammer-forged, contributing to consistent internal dimensions and long service life. The MR73 offers an adjustable match-grade trigger that can be fine-tuned for both double-action and single-action pull weights, allowing the revolver to serve equally well in precision target shooting and duty use. The lockup is tight, and the action operates smoothly with a solid, authoritative feel. In terms of configuration, the 4-inch and 5.25-inch models are most common for general use, with longer barrels favored by target shooters. The sights are fully adjustable, and the front blade is replaceable, allowing for customization matching specific ammunition or lighting conditions. The frame and cylinder are made from high-strength steel, with the revolver's fit and finish reflecting the detailed craftsmanship invested in each unit. The MR73 is not a lightweight option, but its balance and grip design help manage recoil effectively. Accuracy remains one of its defining qualities. Experienced shooters often see tight groups at extended ranges without mechanical alterations. Its high cost reflects the labor-intensive production process and the limited number of units produced each year. For those willing to invest, the MR73 offers a combination of reliability, precision, and durability that's proven in both elite service and civilian competition. In 2025, it remains one of the most capable and well-constructed .357 revolvers available anywhere. The Colt King Cobra fills a practical niche in the modern .357 Magnum market, a medium-frame revolver blending portability, durability, and shootability. Recent years have seen its reintroduction into Colt's lineup, offering a revolver that is easier to carry than the larger Python while still providing enough weight and balance to effectively manage full power loads. Made from stainless steel, the King Cobra is most commonly available in 3-inch and 4.25-inch barrel lengths. The 3-inch model is preferred for concealed carry or as a general-purpose sidearm, while the longer version offers an extended sight radius and improved velocity. The revolver uses a 6-shot cylinder with solid lockup and a smooth, consistent action. Its double-action pull is predictable, and the single-action break is crisp, aiding accuracy whether at the range or in the field. A standout feature is the high-visibility fiber optic front sight paired with an adjustable rear sight on certain models. This setup facilitates rapid target acquisition in varied lighting conditions, suitable for defensive or recreational use. The factory grips are crafted to suit a range of hand sizes, with good texture for control. Colt has also introduced grip options with improved ergonomics for those with smaller hands in the latest 2025 models. While the King Cobra may not have the long legacy of the Python, it benefits from modern manufacturing and quality control. Its more approachable size and weight make it a revolver owners are more likely to carry and use regularly, rather than save for special occasions. For those wanting a Colt .357 that's practical for everyday use, offering the refinement and build quality the brand is known for, the King Cobra is a solid option in 2025. It bridges the gap between classic Colt styling and the demands of a working revolver, rendering it a reliable companion on the range, in the field, or on the belt. From the sturdy Ruger GP100 to the elegant Colt Python, through the compact Kimber K6S to the elite Manurhin MR73, each revolver on this list brings its own strengths to the table. In 2025, the .357 Magnum platform retains its versatility. Whether you're seeking a dependable carry, Firearm, a range workhorse, or a piece of craftsmanship to cherish for years? Share your personal favorite in the comments, or tell us which one you're planning to add next. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next deep dive. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, shoot straight, and take care.